Hello kids! In this video, we learn present continuous tense. Read. I am reading a story. Write. I am writing in my notebook. Chat. I am chatting with my friend. Click. I am clicking a subscribe button. Eat. He is eating an apple. Ride. He is riding a bicycle. Paint. She is painting a flower. Jump. They are jumping outside. Dance. They are dancing together. Charge. I am charging my phone. Draw. They are drawing a picture. Learn. We are learning English. Share. They are sharing a toys. Drink. I am drinking juice. Throw. She is throwing a ball. Water. She is watering a plant. Bake. She is baking a cake. Play. They are playing a football. Climb. They are climbing a ladder. Race. They are racing outside. Study. We are studying maths. Solve. We are solving a puzzle. Push. He is pushing a car. Pull. He is pulling a wagon. Hike. I am hiking in the hills. Carry. He is carrying a bag. Feed. She is feeding a cat. Sleep. I am sleeping in my bed. Swim. I am swimming in the pool. Cook. I am cooking food. Mop. She is mopping the floor. Wash. I am washing my hands. Kick. He is kicking a ball. Camp. I am camping in the forest. Fish. They are fishing in the river. Skate. We are skating in the park. Travel. They are traveling by train. Ski. They are skiing on the snow. Plant. She is planting a tree. Dig. He is digging the soil. Build. They are building a sandcastle. Photograph. She is photographing a bird. Blow. We are blowing a bubbles. Wrap. They are wrapping a gift. Chase. We are chasing a butterfly. Boat. He is boating on the lake. Drive. Dad is driving a car. Fly. He is flying a drone. Celebrate. They are celebrating a birthday. Cross. He is crossing the road. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.